once again, we left off.
We didn't lift off. So, we're about to take a really long trip going to California. We're going to fly to Colorado, drive from Denver all the way down to California, and we'll be going in Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Nevada, and finally California, where we're going to see our cousins. And then we're going to fly back to Chicago. So just fly over here on the map.
And we're actually going to see 4 national parks: Yellowstone, Grand Tetons, Yosemite, and Rocky Mountain National Park. And we'll be going and driving for a while, so maybe you can watch us for a little and bless your face. If you sneeze during this video, bless you. Peace out. Boop!